These people over here, the yogic people, and by that we don't mean hatha yoga. We don't mean the postures that are popular today. We just mean that sort of worldview of there's something you have to do. You have to be, you have to do this to be good, or to get to God, or to be a spiritual person. And part of those people made up the idea that the body is not sacred, because you're trying to leave your body to go in the future in heaven where you don't take your body with you. So they see the body as a hindrance, and they got really bizarre with it, where they think the body is sinful, especially women's bodies are sinful. It is really a disgusting history if you read it. But that whole idea that the body is sinful, a lot of us, and it's in our culture, whether we actually believe it ourselves, we're getting bombarded with those kind of messages all the time. So another thing we try to do in Tantra, where we think the body is sacred, we try to remember to be embodied. So I'm going to lead you through an exercise where we can all get into our bodies. Because some people in this room, I know before I went to India, I had never actually been in my body. That's a strange thing to say, but because I worked out and I did yoga and I ate well and I thought I was a very body conscious person, and nothing wrong with any of those things, but those were all things I was doing to my body. I was trying to make my body into something strong and fit, and that's great. But it wasn't the same thing as actually being inside. So, you guys ready to do an exercise on that?